to go somewhere fancy on Vancouver Island? Yeah? Where do you want to go? Okay, we'll let them know that's where we're going. Okay, say goodbye. Oh, yeah. So tonight,
Still a nice surprise.
we're watching Low Light Mike. And we're making up some I'm going to wear this without bachelor surprise. We'll add a little oil. So I like to heat up my onions, and I get them translucent, okay? That means they're gonna go a bit transparent as they heat up and they influence the oil. Today's Bachelor Surprise stars Campbell's Cream of Mushroom Soup, half a pound of hamburger. We're gonna throw in some green pepper, and as you see, onion. We're gonna mix that together. We're gonna make a bit of a sauce, and then I'm gonna boil up some pasta or rice or something. Just pour it over top. Keep it simple. And remember, when cooking, it's always nice to have a vent open. Especially when you live in your bedroom, and living room, and bathroom. Okay, so we're doing the spirals, multicolored, because I don't know, I kind of like them. I'm gonna do a small amount of that just to add to this dish, and voila, we're eating. I'm gonna wait till that cooks down a bit. We're gonna get some greasy stuff out of the bottom. It's gonna combine with the soup. It's gonna add some flavor with the hamburger and onion. And then we're just gonna put in the noodles in. So, I don't know, another 5-10 minutes, we should be eating.
In this episode, we're gonna be heading to the west coast of the island and checking out the Pacific Rim National Park.
While this dries out and gets cooled down a bit, you throw on some noodles. Okay, so the hamburger soup and green peppers and onions. Noodles are on the boil. I might brown this a little bit more when we throw the noodles in. Well, I think it's about ready. Simmers away here. BVL dinner of the night. That's dinner tonight. I hope you enjoyed watching the BVL cooking show. We're just gonna throw a bunch of water into here and let it soak overnight. And yeah, bon appetit. This is good. Yum.
Doing research, picking me up, dropping me off.
So yeah, that wonderful meal turned into a bunch of dishes that needed to be washed. And now we're relaxing I did. And checking up on the latest videos on Crave. Have a good night, everybody, and we'll be seeing you in the morning. Well, Sir Barks a lot was out on his morning tour. Had to call him in. I don't know what he saw, but I don't know if he got time to pee. Hey, Snowball's there, dude. Good morning from the fire pit. This morning, we're making coffee. Desired amount of water. Desired amount of heat. Place pot and water over desired area and cover it. Desired coffee pot. Desired coffee. Place in your desired amount. And wait. And while waiting, add desired when the desired temperature arrives, we will pour over the coffee. The dude sees one of the owners is outside shoveling snow. We got another dump this morning. And yes, we're still at the compound. We're gonna let that sit. Less grounds of my coffee. Let's clean up later. A quick little press. Make sure your vent's placed forward. Nice and easy. I find the easier you do it, the less of those crummy crumbs make it through that fine screen. So I usually let that stand for 10 to 20 seconds so I don't get this stuff in it. Well, I was awakened quite early this morning. Woke up a couple weird times. My sleep apnea had popped off. I'm sweating. But at 4 o'clock this morning, I was awake. And I was like, okay. So I got up for an hour and a half and just hung out. And it is now 7:30. I feel crappier that I went back to sleep. You guys ever have that? I should have stayed up. I probably would have felt great, but probably been an early morning. Uh-oh. Cute dog, eh? Anyways, I was hanging out, waiting for my sister, find out when she's going in and needs a ride home from, and I just got a text message saying she's okay. Her beautiful daughter is going to take her to the hospital and pick her up after she's done. And I'm like, oh my God. That kid is so much like her mother. That kind of means we need to clean up this mess. I am going to go through, because that up there needs to go into the back of the van. Hi, dude. We should get our poop in a group, and I'm going to check the weather station, and then I'm going to make a plan, okay? So honestly, it doesn't take long for us to get cleaned up in here and get ready to hit the road. Guess that's part of van life, eh? Getting all your ducks in a row. Just a couple things to move into the Volkswagen, which you can see through the front window. Anyways, let's go say hi to the boys and let's figure out what we're doing today. After all, they get worried sometimes when I don't, make my presence felt. Oh no, is he dead in there? This doesn't look promising, but the weather network said it's okay. Good morning, Clint.
Good morning, Brian.
Coffee on?
I think so.
Coffee's brewing. Yeah. So we said hi to the boys, the little guy. Keep bugging the crap with me to go back outside. So here we go. You'll know where to pee because there's so much new, and it's wet snow. Wet snow. It's pretty though, hey? That's one thing about Vancouver Island. We don't get a lot of this. So we joke with the rest of the country, but when we get it, we appreciate it. Well, some of us. Yeah, I still love this thing. Starts right up. We have to clean off some snow maybe before we go. I also ordered the parts for the rear suspension for the Volkswagen this morning, so hopefully they'll be here in the next week or two. And we'll start making that thing look pretty again. Get rid of these snow tires. Clint was nice enough to charge this all up for me and store it while I was away in Alberta. Took all the lines, make sure they're nice and neat for the boys, and I'm about to go drop off a set of keys. Oh, yeah, baby. Okay, we got these tools and stuff. They go back here. Oh my goodness. Bam. Oh, try it again. Bam. No, one more time. Ah, it's not working. Bam. There we go. That fits in there, so it'll be a vegetable and fix-it center. And I'm bringing along a, let's see, Vancouver Island Bible. Okay. Backup phone is charging. I will one day have to hook up a 12-volt charging system in this dashboard here. It looks ugly. We'll fix it up one of these days. But we got more cord to charge this phone with. And last but not least, we need our camera holder so we can do hand-free driving with you guys. I've actually missed this thing. Not only the bus, but the hands-free holder for it. It's a good one. Well, make sure you spend the good money. Okay, we be jamming. Let's get out of here. What a beautiful day to be traveling. Yeah, it snowed last night and it's a bit of a bugger.